Yo, good morning, man. It's your dog. Big B little Mr. Ain't a man himself. Back up in here with another one of them things. Man, let's go and start the video alright. If you ain't already, go ahead, subscribe. Go and like the video. Just go ahead and do it, man. Just do it. Get it out the way. Get it out the way so I won't be asking you to do it later. Seems simple, right? Just go ahead and do it. So today, man, it's gonna be a different vlog. I was looking at something the other day when I was at work, when I was in the truck, and I was like, man, I could really probably vlog this like this. And MayRose still dusty. You know what I'm saying? Big Bear still dusty too. I was like, man, I could really be, you know what I'm saying, utilizing this tripod on some other stuff. So what I'm about to do, what I'm planning to do is, I don't need everything out of here. What I'm planning to do is take I'm gonna take some take this car wash bucket. Got a few shop towels. I don't really need those. Do I need this towel? It's gonna be hard enough to truck out there. I'm gonna take some stuff, man, so that I can clean out the truck, man, because I went to take this microfiber towel off. I think I got a couple in the truck already. I went to this place the other day, man, and they trashed the truck. Like, it was like a construction type that dry dirt, dust, and it just, ooh. So that's what we gonna do, man. We gonna go and clean the truck out. So let me grab all the stuff I need. I'm finna get my bucket and my stuff. Oh, where my little brush at? The little brush. Let me go ahead and find all this stuff. Man, it's early in the morning, man. I'm off. Look at the brush right there. Let me find all the stuff and then I'll hit y'all right back. Oh, yeah, man. Sitting at the red light. Got my stuff over there. Got me some gloves. So we're gonna go on here, man, and get this truck back right. Let me scoot on down here, get in the truck, set the tripod up, show y'all what we got. Yo, so I'm gonna show y'all how dirty my truck is, dog. How dusty. Look at all that dust, man. Now this floor mat, this is, you know what I'm saying, I'll take that. That's been dirty. But this dust though, like, that's crazy. And that's just from opening and closing the door. Like, man, my seat got dust on it. Just from opening and closing the door, like, you know what I'm saying, getting out, opening and closing the door. Like, the truck got this dusty. Like, it's crazy. But don't worry about it. We gonna clean it up, man. We got paper towel, we got the wipes, we got some soap, we got this cleaner right here. Sprayway. What's up, Sprayway? They be paying you, my dog. Yeah, we gonna get this thing clean. I think it's dust back here on my little table back here. Like, it's dust all in the back. Like, wow. But we're gonna get it cleaned up, man. I'm gonna bring y'all in when I'm really trying to post like some other stuff, like some shorts and all that good stuff right there, man. So I can get all my stuff together. Matter of fact, I'm finna take a video of the truck. I'm posting on my YouTube on shorts. Matter of fact, I'm posting all this content. I'm posting it on all platforms: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Yeah, that's all I got. I might post it on TikTok too. I don't know, but before and after, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, this so dirty truck, just dusty. Look at this. From not even a whole day, just from, man, maybe an hour. I ain't even say an hour because I ain't had my door open the whole hour, so 30 seconds. 30 seconds tops. Whole truck just demolished. But, yeah, man. Hey, I need to, I think I'm trying to set the tripod up too today. You know what I'm saying, in the truck while I'm driving or something. See how it's gonna stand. Because, yeah. I mean, I got it, and it extends out, so why not? But yeah, let me get to work on doing this right here, getting all this stuff cleaned up. Get y'all back in a second. You're up here loaded, man. First, this your guy. Hopped out the truck. Sitting up here, I gotta try this jump. I'm gonna let y'all see. Let y'all see this potato, man. If y'all ain't seen it on the 7-8 Chevrolet page already, let y'all see this potato, man. He threw the loaded potatoes. Let y'all see how big this Johnny is. Probably should be eating this Johnny right now because the north gonna go to sleep. That's all good though. Let y'all see what's going on. You up here at Big Daddy's Pond, man. Got the food trucked out. Got Southern Smoke over there. I ain't never had that either. A whole nother level. Load. Different load. I'll follow and check it out, man. Cool. Job second. Yo, what's happening, man? It's your dog, Big Below, Mr. Man himself. Man, I'm coming in here. Just look, I'm just had to make my own little commercial real quick, man. Hey, look, if you haven't already, I know y'all done seen the new face of the channel. You know what I'm saying? They got that join button up there, man. Hey, go ahead and explore that join button, man. Become a member of the BeeloNation, man. We got 3 levels: $2.99, $6.99, and $9.99. We got Nation, we got Big Nation, and we got Ain't Mine Gang. You know what I'm saying? They all have their separate perks, which Ain't Mine Gang has its own perks, and all of the perks from the other 2 tiers. So yeah, man, if you haven't done that already, go ahead and explore that join button, man, and yeah, enjoy some of these nice perks, man, that your dog gonna set out for y'all, man. But yeah. That being said, man, let's get back to the video. Man, I should have brought my little brushes, man, that get up in the events and stuff like that, because I can't get up in there like I want to. But yeah, we're getting it wiped down. Getting everything wiped down. Then I'm gonna come back with the wipes. Then I'm gonna do the floors. Well, I'm gonna do the floors. And then after that, come back with the wipes, because it's gonna get dusty once I start messing with that flow. So hit it with the wipes. Yeah. Then we should be done. We'll come to this back here too. Do some stuff back here. Wipe down the seats. Everything with the wipes and all that good stuff. Dash, all that. Clean the windows, clean my mirrors. Yeah, now I'll be done. But I'm wiping everything down because it's super dusty in here. Super dusty, super dirty. I'm getting all the trash out. All that good stuff right there. Cleaning all that stuff out the doors. I don't think it shouldn't be nothing in this door. It ain't nothing in that door but dust. But yeah,
Let me get back to it. As y'all can see, I done already wiped down like all my buttons and stuff. All that stuff was dirty, super dirty. All my buttons, all that. Everything look 100% better already. Still got some little dust up in there, but my wipes gonna get that. So put my wipes out through there. Yeah, let me finish up so I can get up out of here. So far, so good. Wiped everything down. There's water right there. Footprints, but clean that mat up. Now all I gotta do is gotta wipe that down again. Wipe everything down with these old cleaning wipes. Wipe everything down. Got everything out the door. Still a little dusty, but I'm gonna hit it with the wipes though. Once I hit it with the wipes, it's gonna be all good. I left that mat out there on the ground because I know I'm gonna be stepping in and out, so I'll see I'm already tracking this back up. So left that out there. Let me go ahead. Oh, that's why I couldn't feel nothing. Close the vents. Yep, finna hit it with them wipes, put them gloves on. Hit it with them wipes because my hands do not like them wipes. So, got that clean. Wipe my boot with the Armor Rod wipes. That way you can sit overnight, so that way it ain't gonna attract no dust when I wipe it. If I hit this, I'm gonna hit that with the microfiber towel. Get the water spots out of there. See that? Got the water spots out. Clean up my chrome rings. Yeah, let me go and knock this out. Be right back. Clean as it gonna get for right now. Windows clean, mirrors clean. Got the water spots over there. Got my chrome rings all cleaned up and everything like that. My buttons, all that stuff right there. You know what I'm saying? No more handprints on the buttons. All over there, no handprints. No handprints. Armor Rod wipes, wipe the dash, no dust. So we good. We good now. Now I'm finna load up. Y'all see these boys talking crazy to each other. Sugar man on that and bag talk. Them boys talking crazy. But yeah, I'm about to get on up out of here. Got to get up out of here. I'm gonna go to the crib. So holler at y'all in a minute, man. I need to wipe this down again. Whatever, wipe microfiber, whatever. Hold on. I'll holler at y'all when I get to there. Yo. Yeah, man. Made it to the crib. Get some, I'm waiting on a car, man. Waiting on somebody to lock their keys in the car, man, so I can go save them. But ain't nobody called yet, though, so I'm just chilling right now. Still watching Sugar Man on that. I'm trying to watch all his videos till I get caught up, but man, he posting like a fool. He ain't playing. Like, he gotta be posting at least one a day, two a day. Cause I can't catch up. I'm at the end, I can't catch up. So it's finna be what it's finna be, man. If I catch up, cool. If I don't, I'll catch it when it, you know what I'm saying? But it's all good though. As long as I'm supporting, it's all good. And man, I don't know what I did, man. I'm on Facebook. They said I'm restricted for 24 hours. I don't even know what I did. I don't know what I did, but it's cool though. Probably don't want me to follow nobody else. So I ain't gonna trip. I'm still commenting, I'm still posting, so I don't know what it is. But yeah, man. Yeah, see me, y'all took a little trip with me today. Y'all seen me clean the truck out. Y'all seen me do all this. Y'all seen my food. Now y'all see me, man, laid back chilling. I don't know how long this video is. I'll look at it in a minute and see how long it is. See if I'm gonna post it. If not, I'm gonna add something else to it. But as of right now, man, it's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't a Man himself. I'll catch y'all in the next one.